Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Castle number CECDB964 Castle machine replacement bit, 9/64 of an inch. This has a 1/4-inch round shank, most popular Castle drill bit. The brad and spur tip tracks well in all types of material. It's awfully hard to see, but that definitely has some spur cutters on the outside of it. That means it's going to give you a really nice clean hole. The 9/64 hole provides an easy slip fit for a number 7 screw installation. So you're putting in number 7 screws, which would be very typical and common for residential hinges. Obviously Castle gate, that would be the right size. Let's take some dimensional properties of the item. So 9/64, the OD of my caliper says 0.141. 1 divided by 64 times 9, 0.140625. That's great. Diameter of the shank, 0.248. And overall length, .2423 overall length. The length of the bit itself appears to be about 1.53 inch. 1.53 right from here to the tip. Okay. Extended description information down below. We've covered everything that's there. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, and from there you can pull up not only the Castle products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website that's there. There is currently not a catalog, but if one becomes available, we will certainly add that to that page as well. Any questions on the Castle CECDB964 Castle machine replacement bit, 9/64, or any other Castle product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.